So guys, today this fuel pump has to come off. I've watched the video, so we'll see if I can do it. Or not. Good. It's movement. Yeah, that's definitely what's making that move. Wiggle, 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 yeah. Yeah, that pump's definitely loose. It should not move like that. Alright, so the generator's fired up. Found one. It's loose, so just got to find the spanner to do it up. If I can get to it with the spanner. Find it, but I can't find it with the spanner. I think we're at 10 as well, to be honest. Yeah, so we'll give it a go with an ordinary 13. See what wiggle wobble we got in it now. still some there. And there's still another nut somewhere. Yeah, it would be. Just to really fuck me off. You are supposed to take half of this stuff off. So that's the one I've done up. Just pull that lever. Get me a little bit back. Wedge it out between the press it. That one there, which is tight. Is it's going to be down here. Between all these pipes, let's just see if we can just lower a spanner down and see if we can find it. Even if I can, I don't think I'm going to be able to find that. So we put this nut back on. Still pumping. So you missed a bit, but we might have solved the issue without having to take the pump out. We're going to see now, but we have to put it all back together to see if it works. So just getting the pulleys back on, and then we'll work out how many bolts we're missing. On there. On there. So. Easy to get that off. There we are, it's drawing it on now. Right. Belt. bar again to pull that. The bar. I'm not betting it works because I've put it back together, but we shall see. So guys, we've done as much as we can today now. We're a bit stumped now at this point, as everything's back together. It seems to want to run, but not want to run. There's definitely fuel getting in there. Whether it's enough or not, who knows. We've got a few other things that we can try and rectify the problem, but for now I think that's as far as we can go today, so we're just going to tidy up, I think, and we'll go off home, because the other thing is the batteries are now flat, and batteries have run out of life with endless cranking. We just can't do it. So yeah, pack up, clean up all the tools, because now the engine's back in one piece, and yeah, who knows. So keep posted whatever part number we're on now, because I've given up the parts.
You can now find us on Facebook, YouTube, Patreon, Twitter and Instagram. Hashtag Mancbuses. Find us at mancbuses.com. Mancbuses, we're sorting scrap.